This artwork has been supplied to me free of charge from Fanhome.com. Please pop along to their website and see all of the other build-up artworks that they have to offer, as well as other collections of collectible things. I would like to thank Fanhome for providing me with the artwork so I can produce these videos for your enjoyment and educational needs. If you'd like to build one of your own, pop along to fanhome.com. They're available in many countries worldwide. If you do want to build one, leave a note in the comments to let me know how you're getting on. So thank you once more to Fanhome for providing me with this kit. I hope you enjoy the build. Hello, I'm Chris, this is Gross Models, and welcome to issue 72 of Building Kit from Knight Rider. This is another episode that we've done before, but the opposite side. We're doing some more work on the door. Look, I've got the door ready there. First of all, we're looking at episode 14, Junkyard Dog Part 1. I think Kit gets broken. Toxic waste. Don't know, yeah. Kit sinks into a lethal pit of highly corrosive acid. So they have to rebuild him, and obviously something's going to go a little bit wrong. I'm probably going to end on a cliffhanger because it's going to be, part 2 next time, isn't it? So, yeah. We can repair him, but whether it'll ever be Kit again. Oh, not right. It's sad times for Kit. But is that it? He's been bleached. I don't know. Yes. So in this issue, the hinge and cover are fitted in the door, and the window. No, we're not putting the window yet. We're just putting the hinge in place on the door, putting the window strips in. And next time we'll be fitting the window. So we'll get to that after looking at the bodywork. Yeah, everything but his frame, his shell, has been destroyed. That'd be an interesting rebuild to make it. No, I wouldn't want to make him look like that. I like the shiny black. So let me clear this out of the way and we'll get the parts fitted to the door. So the parts supplied in this issue, the NM screws, which we're going to be using one of. Get one of those out of that packet and put the others off to the, or the other one rather, off to the side. The window we're not using yet. We'll leave that off to the side. We'll be using that. We'll be using that and that, but not those pieces either until next time. And this is the door that we're going to be fitting it to. So this goes in there, same as last time. I'm going to put it in that way round because that's the way round I think it goes. And that fits in there like that. With this going on there, doesn't matter which way up, so we'll go with that way. That covers that. There's a little pin and the NM screw. We'll go and hold that tight in there. Just like that. Once we get that down fairly tight, we can then make sure it locks in the right place. And that should give us the door opening action on the hinge. So it will hold it mostly shut and will indeed open when we want it to. So that's that. That's that for the door. These two strips, just like last time, are fitted across the inside of the door. But I'll get this one right this time. One goes there, like so, and the other goes next to it, filling the whole window and stopping the plastic of the window glass from scratching. If I can get it off, come on, there we go. Stop that from scratching against the metal of the inside. I'm going to go from the outside of this one. Just there. Going there and just about meeting in the middle. A little gap in the middle, but that's okay. That's that. So that will eventually be fitting onto there and able to slide up and down without scratching. So that's that. So far, so good. Another episode done. A couple more to go in this month's delivery. So we'll get to that very, very soon. Stick around for other partwork adventures, and I shall see you for more of this in a few days. Bye-bye for now.